Colorshot. That's what we want to talk to you about today. Colorshot is a new spray paint, kind of, sort of, specifically designed for us female crafters. This is my friend Kelly. Kelly is from the company of Duncan, which some of you might know as Tulip, and some of you might know as I Love to Create.
Correct.
But they've got a whole new brand called Colorshot. So Kelly's actually been with the company a long time. Tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, great. So this is Colorshot multi-surface aerosol spray paint. We developed the line because we identified a need in the market with the female DIY consumer, as Nancy said.
That's me.
Looking for a product that was more suited to her needs. And so we did a lot of consumer research before we brought the program to market. And what we found was, with some of the other brands on the market, it was there were two frustrations. One was they all looked the same, and it was very difficult for her to shop for her color because they all look the same. And number two was the diameter of the can was very difficult and uncomfortable to use. It's a little bit of a wider can, and so you get hand fatigue and you have to switch back and forth. And so those were the two key points that we wanted to address with the consumer. She shops for color first, so we wanted to make color first and foremost on our label. All of our cans are wrapped in the color that you get. We have fun, engaging names like the one Nancy's holding there, Farmer's Daughter.
And okay, we must stop there. Okay, not only is this Farmer's Daughter, and I am a farmer's daughter, this is pink, my favorite color, and it's glossy, my favorite finish. So this is the can I am taking home.
That's
Farmer's
her
Daughter in
color.
pink.
Yes.
There we go. Okay.
Another important point about the gloss finish is that the gloss colors have a glossy label. The satin and matte colors have a flat label, so it's very easy for the consumer to identify not only the color but the finish and then the surface. It works on multiple surfaces such as glass, ceramic, wood, tile, almost anything you would use it on, plastic, anything but fabric, essentially. It's good for indoor and outdoor projects. And kind of going back to the whole can thing, you may notice that our can diameter looks a little bit narrower than what's out on the market. We decided to make our can 20% skinnier than the other spray paints on the market for ease of use with that female consumer hand. 95% of our consumers are female, and they're DIY craft consumers. And this is similar to, akin to a hairspray bottle, which is very easy to use, very easy to apply. Our quality is exceptional. It gives great coverage. It dries in 10 minutes. We have 48 colors in the 3 different finishes of gloss, matte, and satin. And as Nancy mentioned, we also have metallics, and then we have sealers and primers so you can complete your entire project.
The other thing, all in one. So you also told us something I thought was really cool about the propellant. And this might be a little bit too techy. I mean, we're just crafters, but I thought that was really interesting.
Yeah, one of the other things that differentiates us from the other aerosols on the marketplace is the propellant that's used to get the actual spray paint out of the can. Our product is derived from a natural product called sugarcane, so it's better for the environment. It's more environmentally friendly and sustainable. Now, this is still an aerosol spray.
Right.
It still has an odor. You still want to use it outside, but it is better for the environment because we use the sugarcane propellant versus the other product on the market uses a petroleum-based propellant.
So this is brand new in 2019. You can do some pre-orders with your sales rep now, but they can't get to your store till 2019. There is a planogram available that I thought was really quite pretty with the little trays for holding all of the paints. I think this is going to be a really, really big hit. You'll be looking for the Colorshot come January 2019. Well, everything except the Farmer's Daughter. I think I'm going to take that one home now. So have a great day and call your sales rep if you have any questions.